I am Sanjay S. from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, and I'm here to talk about computer vision and how machine learning models are integrated with computer vision techniques. Computer vision is a field that enables machines to interpret and analyze visual information from the world. It combines artificial intelligence, machine learning, and image processing to automate tasks. The ability to interpret visual data empowers businesses to improve safely, reduce costs, and uncover new insights. The key technologies underpinning computer vision include image processing, pattern recognition, and deep learning. Now, let us look at the various tools used in the computer vision. The key tools include TensorFlow, PyTorch, OpenCV, and some specialized hardware such as deep GPU and edge devices. Now, let us understand how machine learning models are integrated with computer vision. Machine learning, especially deep learning models like CNNs, play a central role in computer vision. These models enable systems to learn complex features from data, improving object detection, classification, and segmentation performance in real life. Use cases of computer vision include facial recognition, autonomous driving, medical imaging diagnostics, and quality control in manufacturing. Computer vision merges advanced algorithms and powerful tools to revolutionize how machines interpret with visual data. Businesses leverage these technologies, position themselves at forefront of digital transformation. Thank you all.